Hey Pax, what should we do?
Open the package.
Yeah, we should open this package. Hey duckies, you want to watch us open a box?
Duckies, watch us open the box. Oh, you want to?
Scream like the poor animals.
All right, Pax, you ready to open this package?
Yeah.
All right.
Want to see it?
This is coming from a brand new brand canister.
Yeah, this.
I am excited to see it.
Let's open it.
Okay.
I'll take off this one.
Okay, you take off that one. I'll take off this one.
There.
Can you take off that one?
There.
All right.
Let me take the lid off.
All ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let go. 3, 2,
Two,
1. Boom!
Yeah, it's a lot.
There it is.
The fluffy thing.
Wow.
Where the fluffy thing?
Hey Pax, we have to take off the sticker.
I'll do that for you. I'll do it.
It might be better for you to do it because I can't get the sticker.
There.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Good job, my man.
Good.
Ow, wow, that's actually really nice.
It's glowing.
Honestly, I don't know if this is an insult, but it's nicer than I thought it would be. And I like the images online, but
Definitely did sound insulting.
I know it did.
There.
Sorry, Chris.
I took that
Did
off.
not mean that to be insulting in any
Look,
way.
it brought some
Let's see what we have. Yep, we got a waffle strap. This one's got a little
There's
dusty.
a sticker. There's a sticker, another one. There's another stickers.
There we go.
There is two.
Oh, very nice. Very nice indeed. This is a prototype.
There's another sticker.
So, because it's
Ducky.
prototype, it's not going to be as refined
Can
as
you show the duckies your
perfect
watch,
one. Oh,
please,
that's nice.
Daddy? Can you show the duckies your watch, please? Show the ducks
Hey,
your watch.
ducks! Here's the watch. What do you think? All right, here we go. Hand winding, hacking. I don't even remember what's in the. I think it's Miyota 9000, if I remember, which is a great movement. And screw down crown.
Let me take these, please.
Okay, initially I'm finding the crown a little on the small side, but we'll see. Signed crown, brushed, looking good. What do you think, guys? Do we like this?
Yeah.
All right. Well, this has been
watch.
It's a watch. I like it. This has been a quick unboxing. Folks, please look forward to a full review in the coming weeks. From Paxton, myself, and my beautiful wife, Nikki, have a great day. Well, it's Monday morning. The excitement of the weekend is over, and I'm just having a coffee, preparing to start the week. But I thought I would just give you another look at this watch before I do a full review. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Hope you all have a great week. Do 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 do.